The Buick brand in the United States now exclusively consists of crossovers and SUVs, but traditional sedans are still part of the lineup in China. The latest generation of the LaCrosse now debuts as the marque's flagship four-door. The new LaCrosse wears Buick's pure design styling language. The exterior design features a broad, trapezoidal grille. Stacked headlights are on the outer edges and LED running lights are above them. The flanks feature soft sculpting. The rear has full-width taillights with a sharp appearance that echoes the DRL's. The Avenir version in these photos features matrix adaptive headlights with 222 LEDs. 9 illumination modes can alter the high and low beams to match the conditions. When the vehicle senses the owner's wireless phone key, a welcome animation lights up the headlamps, taillights, and door handle lights. The LaCrosse's interior features the Buick Virtual Cockpit system that includes a 30-inch curved display with a 6K resolution. It supports over-the-air updates for multiple modules. The cantilevered center console has a built-in charging pad on top, and the lower portion creates a large storage area between the front seats. Buick touts using high-end elements like laser brush trim and French double stitching. The Avenir's cabin features seats with heating, ventilation, and massage function. There are also 121 LEDs for accent lighting. Buick didn't outline the LaCrosse's powertrain range in the debut announcement. Earlier info from China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology indicated the sedan was getting a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder making 237 horsepower. The LaCrosse left the United States after the 2019 model year. There's no indication that Buick plans to bring the new sedan to the US. The latest Buick coming to the US is the Envista. It has styling with the same design language as the new LaCrosse, like the large grille and sharp-edged running lights. Inside, there's an 11-inch infotainment screen. Power comes from a 1.2-liter turbocharged engine that makes 136 horsepower and 162 lb-ft. The estimated fuel economy is 30 miles per gallon combined. Prices start at $23,495 after the $1,095 destination fee. The range-topping Avenir trim is $29,695. Subscribe, like, don't forget the bell.